Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very transformational and informative video for all of you. Friends, the video I bought for you today is about what you can gift your wife on Fridays to ensure sustained prosperity throughout your life. I will repeat again. What I've bought for you today is a video about what you can gift your wife on Fridays for sustained prosperity throughout your life. Interesting? Transformational? Informational? Yes, very. But before I share this critical information with you, let me share with you a brief about the channel, The Ancients. I started this channel in 2021 and today we have got over 611 subscribers, 15,000 views and over 215 videos uploaded on the channel. My reason for starting this channel is I want to share with you the results of my research of 24 years into the ancient sciences of astrology, numerology, and Vastu. What I bring for you on this channel is the very essence, extracts, and concentrate of my 24 years of research into these ancient sciences. I am confident, sure, that if you follow the tips which I am sharing with you on these videos, you will be blessed with good health, good fortune, prosperity. You will enjoy harmonious relationships with your near and dear ones and enjoy peace of mind. You will also ensure business development and career growth for yourself. These are tremendous benefits, transformational benefits. Therefore, I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed or have just come onto the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. I would also request you, please share these videos with your friends and family, encourage them to subscribe and join our mission. When they are benefited, you welcome good karmas into your life, and also these good karmas will transform your life. For all my 611 subscribers, my heartfelt gratitude, my friends. Now, coming to the topic of the day. What is it that you should gift your spouse, your wife, on Fridays to welcome prosperity, sustained prosperity throughout your life? First of all, if you want sustained prosperity and want to impress Ma Lakshmi so that she stays at your house forever, please gift makeup kits, makeup items to your spouse on Fridays. Buy them on Fridays and gift it to her. Better still, if you take her shopping on Fridays and give her a chance to express her happiness and surprise when you buy her these items of her choice, you will ensure that your prosperity enhances. Second, I see a lot of people going to jewelry shops on every day of the week. If you want sustained prosperity, then you must ensure that you buy jewelry on Fridays, especially jewelry which you are giving to your wife, mother, daughter. And if you are buying for your spouse on Friday, rest assured that this item of jewelry will remain in your house forever, and Ma Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity, will remain at your home. Your sources of income will enhance, your savings will enhance, your expenditures will come down. You will find you have sufficient money in your purse always. It's an amazing blessing to have. Number 3, if you want sustained prosperity, then give your wife flowers on Friday. Not any flowers, red or white flowers, depending on her choice, or you can even combine both these flowers together and give her, but the colors must be red and white because they're the colors of Ma Lakshmi, and Ma Lakshmi is very impressed with you and blesses you when you make your spouse happy. So, gift your wife red and white flowers, or red flowers or white flowers on Friday. Do it early in the morning and see the tremendous benefits and blessings it brings you. Keeping our spouses happy and enjoying their goodwill is a sure short way to success in life. Last but not the least, give your wife dresses, saris, other dress materials which she wants, especially in red and white color on Fridays. This will ensure sustained prosperity for you. For those of you who missed noting down, let me repeat it again. On Fridays, if you want sustained prosperity, you can either give makeup items to your wife, jewelry to your wife, flowers of red and white color to your wife, or dresses of red and white color to your wife. When you do this, Ma Lakshmi will be happy, your spouse will be happy, and keeping your spouse happy is a sure short way of inviting prosperity into your home. Friends, I am sure that your life will be transformed with this information which I am sharing with you. I request you once again, kindly subscribe to the channel The Ancients. What I bring here for you, my friends, on this very channel is the essence, extracts and concentrate of my 23 years of research into these ancient sciences. And I am confident that if you follow my tips, your life will be filled with good health, wealth and prosperity. You will enjoy peace of mind and harmonious relationships, and you will see career and business development in your life. Please do subscribe to the channel. And before I go, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my subscribers. Today we have got over 611 subscribers on the channel. We have also uploaded 215 videos. We've got over 15,000 views. This is truly amazing. And this I need to thank my subscribers for. Subscribers, please accept my heartfelt gratitude. And I am confident those of you who have come onto the channel will definitely subscribe and join our journey of transformation. I will be back very soon with another very informative video on your favorite channel, The Ancients. Till then, my friends, be blessed, be safe. Thank you for watching the video.